Doug and I hiked up to the base of Bridal Veil Falls in Provo Canyon again yesterday morning at dawn. We hadn't anticipated that the falls would be covered in ice already. But they were. In fact, as we approached the falls, we found that everything within 100 feet of the falls was covered with a very slick layer of ice. This included the dirt, the rocks, the cliffs, and everything else. I don't recommend that you even try hiking up there in these conditions. No wonder people have fallen and died up there. This is a perspective that almost no one ever sees. This is the upper cataract of Bridal Veil Falls. Notice how the rocks around the falls slowly drip water that almost instantly freezes on its way down. Here, we are over 600 feet above the base of the lower falls. As we back away from the upper cataract, you get a sense of the massive scale of this location. Now, we are looking almost straight down, at the top of the lower section of the falls. Here we swivel around to view the top of the falls from 180 degrees. Now, we slowly descend, down the face of the falls. I love this place but won't be coming back in the wintertime. By the way, don't try catching your drone with your hand while you are teetering on the edge of an ice-covered cliff.